President Ronald Reagan is famous for the words, "A recession is when your neighbor loses his job, a depression is when you lose yours, and a recovery is when Jimmy Carter loses his." In today's environment, we saw our president get censored by big tech, followed by many of his political allies and vocal conservative leaders. Over the last 48 hours, Facebook has expanded their censorship to the 2A community and censored firearms and gun rights leaders, content creators, and influencers by stripping them of the ability to create new groups, create events, and even the ability to post in any groups and reply to messages of any kind. And I was one of those people. And while this is a major step back in being heard and spreading the message of responsible gun ownership and the Second Amendment, there are alternatives to the big tech who's all too happy to silence anyone they disagree with. Much like many of you who've made Jimmy Carter lose his job, we can now turn Facebook and Twitter into MySpace, platforms that no one's going to care about. To dump Facebook, we're now on MeWe.com and Gab.com. Both of these are platforms that respect privacy and most of all respect people's right to free speech and having a differing opinion. Even within the firearms community, we have different opinions. However, every gun owner I know should be able to agree that people have a right to their opinion and the ability to speak on public forums, and in essence, what social media is in the 21st century. To dump Twitter, we created and we're active on Parler, and we'll be active on there as soon as they're up again, and the site should be coming back on soon. For videos, so far, YouTube has been okay and is the largest place in the world for firearms content of any kind. We do, however, have backup plans, and all of our content is now also up on Odyssey.com, a decentralized video streaming platform built on the foundation of privacy and freedom of expression. It's built upon the library.cb blockchain, very similar to Bitcoin, which is revolutionizing the finance industry. Going forward, all of our content is going to be on Odyssey, and it'll also be the only place to find videos that either YouTube is going to demonetize or which go against the rules, including videos focused on reloading ammunition, machine guns, suppressors, and even 3D printing. Very soon, the platform will also offer live streaming, and that is likely the place where we'll be posting range day footage live from the range, which is currently against YouTube rules. So make sure you click on the link in the description and join me on Odyssey. Of course, the only place where we cannot be silenced is on our website, slavguns.com, and make sure you're subscribed to our email list to never miss a big announcement or notifications of new videos or giveaways. Lastly, I'm slightly peeved that I'm not in Vegas for SHOT Show. So what are we gonna do? We're going to be hosting a Slav Guns virtual SHOT Show, which will be live streaming for at least 2 days. I've asked some awesome industry partners to join us to discuss their latest products, what they see happening in the industry, and to answer your questions. So far, I have confirmation from companies including Tracked Optics, Darkstrom Industries, Anarchy Outdoors, Coda Evolution, Catalyst Arms, and Ruger. Because, well, Slav Guns is Ruger Guns after all. We'll have many more join in over the next few days, and I'll keep a list of confirmed companies in the comments. If you have a question that you want answered, click on the link in the description, which will take you to a form to submit your questions ahead of time. We may or may not have time to answer all of your questions on the live stream, so if you want the best chance of getting it answered, click the damn form and submit your questions ahead of time. We'll be streaming to a number of platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and our website, and the replays will be available for the time to come. And if you want to see more content like this and to support the channel, please make sure to become a channel member by clicking on the join button below, and send a super chat during the live stream or video premieres. As always, thank you for watching, keep on squatting, and I'll see you in the next video.